Hi, welcome to this YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and simple water filter for an IBC tank. If you just let the rainwater go straight into the tank, what effectively you end up with is a load of sediment in the bottom of the tank, and it just ends up being all gungy. So what I'm going to do is show you how to make a really quick, cheap and simple filter. Okay, so this is really easy to make. What you need is a couple of old plant pots that are the same size. Here you can see that these two would have been identical, and all I've done is simply just cut this one down so that when it sits in the bottom there, it makes a nice snug fit. The only other thing I've done is taken a hole saw and just put a couple of extra drainage holes in the bottom. The next thing you're going to need is a pair of old tights or something like that, something that's porous, that's going to let your rainwater through. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is just put the base on here, fold these bits over. Bit fiddly, and then simply place that in the bottom bit, press it in nice and tight, and effectively what you can see is you've got a filter. Okay, last thing to do is just fit it into the IBC tote. We did start off by stretching the tights over the top with an elastic band, but what we found is that when the water came down really hard, it ran over the top and off, so that was no good. Okay, so the last job now is to just fit the filter into the IBC tote, and as you can see, it makes a really nice flush fit. Just line the rain spout up. What's going to happen now is the rain will just go down into the dish through the filter and fill up the tank. And that's it. It's really simple to do.